Tonight we're making pot roast. Bavarian pot roast, that is. Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Oh, got a bubble over. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's really fucking full of shit. Okay, well, I'm glad she's a pixie truck for you, but she's not a shit. Wow. Welcome back, guys. As I said, tonight we are making Bavarian pot roast. I say tonight. It's 3:30 in the afternoon, but it takes a few hours to cook. So we're making Bavarian pot roast today. This is courtesy of Taste Home. I know I've done a few of their recipes, but what the hell? They keep coming up with good ones, so I keep trying them. Anyway, if you don't know what we do here, guys, we go on the internet, find ourselves a recipe, go to the store, pick shit up, make it. It's easy as that. We've been doing it for almost 90 days now. I think this might even be day 90. It could be. Anyway, we're also looking to set a world record for most consecutive days cooking a different recipe off the internet without ever repeating. We've been doing that for about 30 days now. The 90, it's a crossover. I just don't have the proof for the other 60 days, so whatever, it doesn't really matter. Anyway, let's get to this one. I thought it'd be a good one. Hey, who doesn't like pot roast? So, I got my pan heated up. We're going to start with a couple tablespoons of canola oil in the pan. Boom, just like that. And we're going to brown the old pot roast on all sides. Once I find a set of tongs. There's the set. Woohoo! Perfect. Chuck it in the pan. And we're going to let that brown on all sides for a few minutes, guys. Be back in a moment. Alright guys, our beef is all sizzling up there. So now it tells us to add everything else to it pretty much. So we got our water. That's a couple quart of water into the pan. Boom, just like that. With our onions. I don't know why we didn't cook the onions prior to, but it didn't tell us to. So, hey, that's fine. I'm just doing what I'm told. Then we got some salt. We got salt. Yes, it was. And sugar. Like, what's this one? Oh yeah, sugar. Alright, then we got some cinnamon. And ginger. A bay leaf, half teaspoon of pepper. We also have ourselves a tablespoon of vinegar, and we got a cup of tomato sauce. A whole bunch of stuff goes in here. We're going to bring that to a boil, and then we're going to simmer it for 2.5 to 3 hours. And 3/4 cup of lovely old beer in the pan. You gotta love the beer recipes because then I get a beer. So it's all good. Anyway, so we got that bad boy on. I'll give her a stir around here for a sec. Come take a look, see what you think. See what it looks like. It's smelling alright. It smells like beer and tomato sauce and water and all sorts of stuff. So, get that flipped over. There we go. And we're going to let that simmer, I believe covered, for 2.5 to 3 hours. Alright guys, welcome back. Our beef is out. She's looking lovely. Come take a look at that. That is our Bavarian pot roast. Kind of look forward to this one. The cinnamon and all that stuff. I think it could be a really good one. Let's find out. Take a bite of it. Let's see what we think. Mmm. Tastes like butter. Has sugar and all that, and the spices and all that. Beautiful in there. Never had Bavarian pot roast. I would recommend it. That's some damn good stuff. Anyway guys, come over here and take a look at the date and time. It is April 1st at 6:27 p.m. It's Miss Shores. Anyway guys, another Cooking with Jon. See you tomorrow. Who knows what we're going to make. Bye for now.